How often do you say that you're busy? And when was the last time you truly felt fulfilled in your life? And honestly, there is a truth that nobody likes to admit or talk about. That is, being busy has become a new comfort zone for almost all of us. Busy feels productive, busy feels important, busy helps us avoid uncomfortable truth in our life. And busy doesn't always mean that you are doing something meaningful to your life. It's not, it's just you're occupied the entire day. For example, if you have all the, back to back emails aligned, back to back meetings aligned where you have to be occupied and you have to be physically present all the time, then you are chasing deadlines after deadlines, you're doing a lot, you're everywhere in your office, but at the end of the day when you sit with yourself, you still feel empty by heart because तुमने ऐसा कुछ किया ही नहीं जिससे तुम्हें वो fulfillment वाली feeling आई हो. Like the entire day you were busy, yes, you were occupied, yes, but ऐसा कुछ भी meaningful नहीं हुआ जिसने वो तुम्हारे heart को एक contentment वाला feeling दिया. That is why you feel empty. And पता है क्या, that's not burnout, that is misalignment of almost everything. मतलब you really need to do a self check, a quick self check, जहाँ पे you are asking this question to yourself कि क्या मैं इसलिए बिजी हूँ क्योंकि मेरा काम इतना मैटर करता है, या मैं सिर्फ इसलिए बिजी हूँ बिकॉज इट स्टॉप्स that it stops me to think, like actually sit with my thoughts and actually think and analyze कि मुझे चाहिए क्या, मेरे दिमाग में चल क्या रहा है. Hustle culture is very good, staying occupied is very good, but necessarily success आएगी ही आएगी, that is the question. So from the unconventional sister, I can just drop you a truth bomb that just because तुम busy हो या तुम occupied हो का मतलब ये नहीं है that तुम्हारा जो तुमने पूरे दिन किया उसके बाद you're feeling that fulfilled and contentment in your heart. Not necessarily. You need to really understand कि मैं occupied हूँ तो मैं exactly किस में हूँ and मैं किस cost पे हूँ. Like you have to really align your work, you have to really align the things you are occupied with by the feeling that at the end it gives you the feeling of contentment. And if you are getting that feeling of contentment after doing whatever you are doing, then you are on a right path. But if it is otherwise, then honestly you really need to align everything. You need to really put your thought into it कि मैं ऐसा क्या कर रहा हूँ या ऐसा क्या किया या जो मैं ऐसा कुछ चेंज कर सकता था जिससे मुझे वो फुलफिलमेंट वाली फीलिंग आती बट नहीं आई. सो I hope this all makes sense to you. And if you are also a person who like does everything right by the book, check everything off of their list but still feel empty by heart, so you really need to sit with yourselves and ask this question every day, every night before going to bed कि क्या मैंने आज जो किया उससे मुझे वो फुलफिलमेंट वाली फीलिंग आई. अगर नहीं आई तो मैं क्या ऐसा वो चेंज कर सकता था जिससे वो फुलफिलमेंट वाली फीलिंग मुझे आती. I hope this helps, and for more such videos please follow, subscribe and comment so that we can find more topics to cover.